So, you're finally ready to declutter your digital life and say goodbye to Rocket Money. You're ready to hit that delete account button and move on. But hold on. Does deleting your Rocket Money account actually cancel your subscription? This is a crucial question because you don't want to end up still getting charged for a service you're no longer using. In today's world, we're constantly subscribing to something: streaming services, software, online storage, and of course, financial management tools like Rocket Money. Keeping track of these subscriptions can feel like a full-time job. So, let's get to the heart of the matter. Does deleting your Rocket Money account automatically cancel your subscription? Present the answer and explain the reasoning. In most cases, no, deleting your Rocket Money account does not automatically cancel your subscription. Here's why. Separate systems, account deletion, and subscription management are usually handled by separate systems within a company. Deleting your account primarily removes your personal data and preferences. Subscription focus: the subscription system focuses on recurring billing and payment processing. To successfully cancel your Rocket Money subscription, you'll need to follow these steps. Log into your Rocket Money account. Locate the account settings or subscription section. This might vary slightly depending on the platform you're using: web, mobile app. Look for options like Cancel Subscription, Unsubscribe, or Manage Subscription. Follow the on-screen instructions. You may be asked to confirm your cancellation and may have the option to provide feedback on why you're canceling. Keep a record of your cancellation. Take a screenshot or note of the date and time of your cancellation request. Address potential variations and caveats. Platform differences: the exact cancellation process might vary slightly depending on whether you're using the Rocket Money website, iOS app, or Android app. Trial periods: if you're within a free trial period, canceling your subscription usually prevents you from being charged at the end of the trial. Refund policies: review Rocket Money's refund policy. If you cancel within a specific time frame, e.g., within the first few days of your subscription, you may be eligible for a full or partial refund. Provide general tips for managing subscriptions. Regularly review your subscriptions. Make it a habit to review your subscriptions on a monthly or quarterly basis to identify any unwanted charges. Utilize subscription management tools. Explore apps and tools that can help you track and manage all your subscriptions in one place. Contact customer support if needed. If you encounter any issues with canceling your subscription, reach out to Rocket Money's customer support for assistance. So, remember, deleting your Rocket Money account does not automatically cancel your subscription. To avoid unwanted charges, always follow the specific cancellation steps provided within the app or on the website. End with a sharp and concise closing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.